Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Shara here with another hair video. So as you can see, I'm back curly again, and I've been wearing this for about a week now, and I've been waiting on these extensions to come through the mail, and they're finally here. These are the Xyla hair tape ins, 18 inches. I'm very excited. So when I come back, I'll be straight, and then I can open this up with you guys and put them in. So I'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm straight. And I'm ready to open the Zala hair extensions. This is my first time ordering from Zala. So this is how it comes. Oh, you got all types of stuff in here. This is the hair. This is 100% Remy hair, double drawn, multi-tone color blend system, safely cut, style, curl, and dye. So I guess this is one package, and I got two. I just wanted to make sure I had enough, so I ended up getting two. Oh, it has like how you can put it in. So instructions, so that helps. And then you get a little package with some items in there as well. I'll look in there if you want me to. Oh, okay, you get Froth on You shampoo, hair extension conditioner, Revive Me hair extension treatment. Oh, so it says, I'm yours to keep. If you do decide to send your set back for an exchange or a refund, you will find information inside this pack. So I guess you can keep this even if you decide to return. So I guess this is shampoo and conditioner for the extensions. And a hair extension treatment. Oh, a reviving treatment. So you can revive the hair. So that's neat. Also, these are the instructions for clip-ins, tape-ins, and a ponytail. So that's neat too. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Oh, they feel really pretty. Now, are these? Oh, okay, I'm about to say, are these tape-ins? Look at that. That is really like seamless, you know? Oh, oh, so you can see. I'm gonna be down here, y'all. Untie it, yay. Now these are really thinner than I would think. I don't know. Maybe 2 packs was a good idea with these, because look how thin. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and install, and I'll see if 1 pack is enough. I need a clip and probably a comb and a mirror. Now I want to leave a really thin part at the bottom just in case I want to put it in a ponytail. So a little more than that, but just a little more. Now last time I wore these, I wore them for maybe a month. I can't really remember. I know they lasted a while. I believe I washed them as well with them in my head, you know. Now these seem a little different from Sally's, because Sally's, I'm gonna read the directions real quick. Oh, so this is what you do. What you do is you put this hair, after you take this adhesive off, you put it down, you put the hair on top, and then you take another tape in and you put that, you like sandwich your hair in between both the tape ins. So, you know, it's been a while since I did the tape ins from Sally's, so I kind of forgot, but yep, that's what you do. So basically, your hair is gonna go between 2 of them, and they're gonna both stick to each other. So it makes sense. Probably put a little rubber band on this hair, because this is the hair I want to keep out, and then I'll start with the next section of hair. I'm gonna place this underneath. Now they say use a comb, but I don't see how that. Just remember to use a section thin enough so that they can both connect to each other, you know, because they need to be sandwiched together. And these don't have to be perfect. You know, all I'm gonna do is feel for it. Oh, I think I got it. Now that's the first one. I'm just squeezing to make sure they're both sandwiched. Okay, I think that's the second one. Yeah, this is going good. So I'm gonna do the third one. I'm thinking I'm just gonna do 3 in this first row. Make sure they're not too close together too. Okay, there it is. All right, so just remember you want a thin enough piece of hair that is not, that they can both squeeze or adhere together, sandwich together pretty much. And then you don't want it too thin to where, you know, it's pulling on your hair a little too much. So, all right, so the first row is done. First row, so you can see my regular hair. So hopefully these will blend pretty well. And then that's my new length. We got hang time, y'all. Hang time. So I'm basically gonna do that for the whole head. 3 back there for the first row. I don't know if you see them, they might look crazy, but as long as they're gonna be covered, who cares? All right, so I'm gonna continue for the whole head pretty much, guys. I don't know how much I'm gonna need. I got 2 packs, and I probably do need two packs because you gotta sandwich them, you know? So that's almost like 1. You know, 2 almost make 1. Other tape ins I used were the ones at Sally's, the Euronext. And I don't know, this hair seems really pretty. I can't really say which hair is better. This Xyla hair is really soft and nice. I thought Sally's was nice as well, but this Zala hair is really competing. I'll have to remember the price points. I can't really remember exactly how much Sally's tape ins were, but I'll have to look that one up for you. Who would have ever even thought about tape ins though? Like, what a good idea. You would think that wouldn't even go with hair tape, but you know, it works. Last time I did them, I didn't have any damage when I took them out or anything. So I took them out pretty simple. You know what they should have put in the kit? They should have put a, like the remover. Wouldn't that have been a good idea? Last time I used something I had in the household to remove them. So I have a video on that if you want to watch that. Make sure you check that video out. I have a video about removing tape ins. I would recommend putting them up as close as possible to the scalp just because you don't want to have like it, when you go to comb, you don't want to just be getting, you know what I'm saying, getting the tape in. So that's one thing I would recommend. Sometimes I lose them. I'm like, where is it at? Oh, okay, it's right there. The more I do, this will be less, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully this won't show as much, but this is 1 pack. Definitely need 2 packs for these. Definitely. I have super thick hair when I'm done with this. So I'm about to start on the 2nd pack. And that's gonna be for the top of my head. So pretty much the back is done. I just need to fill in this top. And I'm gonna be careful because I don't want it to look, those are really thin though. I shouldn't have a problem with bulkiness. I forgot to ask you to subscribe to my channel for future videos like this and all types of videos, honestly, but please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like bell if you like the video. And don't forget to follow me on IG as well, _Chanel_. I'll be posting a lot more over there now. I will be. The hardest part about this is finding them because you lose them in your hair. So you got to connect the other one and getting your hair out the way because it's like, whoa, the tape, you don't want to mess up. You don't want the loose hair sticking to it. So that's pretty much the hardest part with putting them in yourself, you know, and parting them, making sure you got the right amount of space so they're all even row, you know, and then they kind of feel crazy in your head too. That's why I recommend getting them close to the scalp, because if you put your hands through your hair and you catch one, it's not a good feeling, you know. But as far as them being messy or anything, no one's gonna see them, so I'm not worried about that part.
1 hour later.
Mayday, y'all, Mayday. I didn't order enough hair, y'all. My stuff didn't blend. Look at my hair. It's pretty and full, but it's still looking choppy. Oh God. The only thing I could do is order some more hair, use my clip-ins and put that on the top, or try to curl it and blend it as best as I can. But 2 packs was not enough. I almost scratched this video because I don't know what to do, but this is why I'm thinking about starting to go to wigs. I'm gonna try to blend it as best as I can, but that's all I could do. But no, it's pretty and full, but it's not enough hair. You know what I'm saying? I will recommend you guys, make sure you look it in the mirror so you know, like, I'm not gonna use a lot in the back because the Zala hair, I don't know, it kind of looked like it wasn't gonna be a lot anyway. Damn. It's pretty and everything. It's just that my hair, you can see my hair, look at this. Because I didn't have enough for the top. Oh God. Anyways, I'm gonna try to curl it the best I can and maybe to help blend it and then maybe put some clips in the top, but this is just how it went. So the Xyla hair is really pretty. I like it, but I just don't think that it's enough hair, honestly. And in 2 packs, I feel like 2 packs should have been enough, you know? Sally's was enough. Yeah, look at this. Look at that. I'm gonna curl it, y'all, and then I'll show you the results. But that's what happened. If you're gonna order from them, I would recommend 3 packs. Yeah, 3 packs, but you're gonna have a lot of hair. But shoot, it's not really a lot of hair because they don't give you a lot, but yeah. So I'm gonna just try to curl it as best as I can and then I'll show you guys the results. So this is all I could do was curl it for it to blend. I'm almost done. The curls turned out good, I think, but you know, this is the only way I'm gonna be able to wear this unless I put the clip-ins in or get some more hair from like Sally's or something like that. But this is pretty much what I did. I like it. It did come out kind of cute, even though, let me pull this down. Even though my hair wasn't as blended as I like, but it's still pretty. Pretty hair, I must say. It curled pretty good. It's just that, you know, I didn't have enough of it. So you guys, this is what I did. It's called making it work, you know? Making it work. You know, I'm gonna fix up my baby hairs a little bit and maybe go over a few more pieces, but this is pretty much what I got. I don't want to turn you guys against Zala hair. It's just that I don't think I got enough hair, honestly. And you know, some people, I see people getting like 3 bundles, things like that sometimes, but for me, I usually only need 2 packs, so maybe theirs is just a little thinner. That's what I'm thinking. Or maybe I didn't pay attention and I just put too many in the back and I should have not went so much in the back. Maybe it's my fault, you know. But you know, trial and error. And I'm gonna do something with the baby hairs, swoop them down a little bit. But the hair is pretty. I needed a little more. I had to curl it, but it works. So thank you guys for checking out my video on Zala hair. They have really nice quality hair, nice packaging. The color was a match. Everything was good. It just didn't have enough. I think that their hair is a little thinner than maybe Sally's tape-ins. But besides that, I like the style that I had to come up with. And I guess I'll be wearing this one curly. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment below, and follow me on IG. I'm going to start posting some pictures on there more and more. And thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for new videos coming up soon. Thank you. See you later.